Hey guys, this is Eddie Gray with Garnish Music Production. Today we're going to cover the catch function. So as it stands right now, the playhead behavior works something like this. When I press play, this playhead is going to move all the way to the right. Once it passes the edge of my screen, none of the information here will update. In other words, I'll be looking at the same screen. Check it out. So that's how it works. Wouldn't it be cool if while it's playing, Logic automatically updated itself in order for me to see what's currently playing? There's a way to do that. It's called the catch function. All you have to do is basically turn on this little button here. It toggles on and off by clicking, and of course there is a key command for it as well. I want you to bear in mind that if you want that behavior to work in the editor section down here, you're going to have to do that independently. Here is the catch function for the editors. So now when I press play and we get to the edge of the screen, Logic will automatically update itself to show me the current information. Check it out. So both of these functions have a place, right? Like if I'm making specific edits and I don't want the display to update itself, then I would just turn the catch function off and it would look something like this. And you get the idea. And if you want things to update themselves, well, then you're going to have to turn that on. When we're talking about customizing the behavior of the catch, you probably would think that you would go to preferences and you would make those adjustments here in the, I believe it's general and catch. But when you read the description, it says here defaults for newly opened views. So what that means is when you open up a new screen set or a new window, these preferences will only display themselves in that window. So if you want to customize the track header or the editors down here, you want to control click or right click the catch button and you want to go ahead and choose your behavior here. Same thing applies down here. The last thing I want to cover is something called scroll and play. So we know what catch looks like, and here is another cool function that I want you to see. We're going to play, I'm going to hit view, and I'm going to hit scroll and play. I'll toggle it on and off so you can see the behavior. Check it out. So you see what's happening is that essentially Logic is moving with the playhead as opposed to it just being stagnant. Just another reason why Logic is such an incredible DAW and will help you achieve your musical aspirations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.